In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this letter design in Photoshop. Open the Photoshop. Create a gradient in this layer. Follow the process. Follow the setting. Pick Text tool. I'm using this font, and download link in description. Pick Move tool. Press Ctrl+A, align center. Open the image. Select subject. Click on mask icon. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Ctrl+T, then right-click, flip horizontal. Pick Quick Selection tool, select lips and flower. Click Inverse Selection. Create a black and white adjustment layer. Select Layers, right-click, convert to Smart Object. Adjust image size. Right-click and choose Create a Clipping Mask. Ctrl+J, duplicate layer. Click on mask icon. Press Ctrl, click text layer. Inverse pixel. Pick Brush tool. Remove unwanted part. Right-click, go to Blending option. Follow the process. Follow the setting. Follow the setting. And for the final step, add your text. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow for more.